Hello to you all! Welcome back to Crypto Cash. Have you ever heard of crypto browsers? Well, I'm about to tell you a couple ways on how to get some crypto cash from one of them, plus insight to others and how you can take advantage. Let's get started! So a crypto browser basically is kind of like a crypto type browser that allows users to browse the web, install extensions, sync their accounts, and manage their browsing history. And with some, when you run or use the browser, it will mine crypto for you, and you'll be rewarded with the coins it produces. A crypto browser, or blockchain browser, is a term that many people use similarly. Browsers that enable Web3 technologies, like blockchain, are referred to as web browsers or web browsers 3, and Web 3.0 browsers provide a link between the centralized internet of today to the decentralized web of tomorrow. Crypto browsers offer a key entryway to a decentralized system, particularly for beginners, by providing decentralized protocols available through a conventional interface. You can purchase, trade, and store your cryptocurrency in almost all crypto browsers. In addition to the browser-native wallets, there are a number of crypto wallets that are available through extensions. For the most part, modern web browsers are compatible with all major crypto exchanges. That takes care of the issue of accessibility. And if you stay away from questionable add-ons and programs, your login information should be protected. However, there are some specific qualities or things to look for when selecting a high-quality crypto trading browser, such as a built-in wallet and VPN, would need to be able to tab stack and remove browsing history, and to be fast, of course. That said, there are some amazing crypto browsers out right now. CryptoTab. This browser will continually mine cryptocurrency with your browser, which implies that when anyone has the browser tabs open, you're automatically mining for Bitcoin. It's also faster while the tab window is open. You may use any Chrome extension, including ad blockers, security features, performance-enhancing tools, and themes on this platform since it supports Chrome extensions. CryptoTab can import data from Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, plus Opera, and it is provided as a free separate download for these browsers as well. They also reward their users for referring new users. By recommending others, you may increase your earnings. They have a referral network of 10 levels deep, and so you may withdraw your profits at any time to a BTC wallet. However, there is a 0.00001 BTC minimum withdrawal quantity required. Brave, launched in 2019, has already established itself as a strong challenger to traditional browsers, even for those who aren't crypto traders. Brave Shield's built-in ad as well as cookie blocker stops marketers from monitoring you. You may also decide whether or not websites should identify your device and whether or not scripts should be blocked. Because of the built-in ad blocker, it is both safe and speedy, and websites load quicker because ad programs are not permitted. Also, if you're concerned about your privacy, you may use the built-in VPN to protect yourself even further. Brave includes a crypto wallet in addition to its usual security and privacy features. Accessing your coins does not need the use of an extension or even a visit to a website. As a result, hacking schemes would not be a possibility for you. Privacy is a major concern in the market. The ad is personalized based on your browsing history, which is saved temporarily on your computer. So it's impossible for Brave to sell your information to advertising since your info never leaves your computer. Brave Wallet is also based on CoinGecko and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, as well as NFT and Web3D apps. One more thing which is kind of cool, you may get Basic Attention Token, or BAT, absolutely free of charge. So, ad viewing is the core behind the Brave Rewards, which is a platform that enables users to earn money just by watching advertisements. Opera. Opera has an integrated D-App Explorer and wallet for cryptocurrency and other decentralized applications, or D-Apps. They brought the world's first specialized cryptocurrency browser, Opera Crypto Browser, to the world of blockchain. You can enjoy a seamless and pleasant Web3 experience thanks to its basic design based on Web3. And with Opera Crypto Browser, you can keep any Web3 experience safe and secure. They include complementary crypto mining security, ad blocker, cookie blocker, and pop-up blocker in the browser. And another thing that is awesome, they have an area called Crypto Corner, and for all things crypto related, this is your one-stop shop. It's easy to discover the newest crypto news, forthcoming airdrops, industry events, and educational materials there. But it's only logical that transactions involving cryptos be viewed with suspicion given how unwelcome they are in many areas of the world. Many have questioned whether or not crypto browsers are a Ponzi scam. Since there is no registration fee for most crypto browsers, anybody may use them. It's completely free of charge, and there are no add-ons, and you may earn money from your browser on certain ones as long as it's up and running. As a result, making money using crypto browser is not a gimmick, but rather a side hustle that takes some extra effort. But actually, suggesting your friends and family is an excellent way to get money. Referrals. They are definitely a great way for crypto enthusiasts and supporters to make money, and those that are able to spread the word about crypto browsers will stand to gain the most. The greater number of people you know over social media, the better your chances of making money are with passive income off referrals of some crypto browsers. And so you must remember all browsers are not created equal, but there is a universal notion that a good one must provide ease, privacy, and most crucially, asset protection. Asking yourself the following questions might help you decide on the best crypto browser for your needs. Are there privacy features built into the crypto browser, such as ad blockers, tracking blocking, or a virtual private network? What about the wallet? Is there one built in, or do you have to use one of the many available extension wallets? It's also worth noting that the browser does not provide prizes in the form of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more popular as a means of storing value and paying for goods and services. Web browsers that are reliable, secure, and easy to use are essential for holders since they are all digital. And with the arrival of Web 3.0, we may expect blockchain-based features, cryptocurrency payments, and a greater emphasis on protecting user data. Decentralized websites and applications will be accessed mostly through web browsers. With more and more products embracing the decentralized web, current generation Web 2 is being pushed aside. And as a result, even more Web 3.0 goods and services are anticipated to be released soon. Well, I hope you were able to learn something from this video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons to find out more ways to make that crypto cash. Take care!